other website and select pictures that inspire you.
Print the selected pictures.
Then cut the printed pictures.
Arrange the pictures as you like.
Next, stick the pictures on a paper.
Frame it and your vision board is ready.
Take fairy lights and attach them to the wall using tape.
Take wooden clips and attach them to the pictures.
Hang the pictures on the wall.
Replace the tape with glue drops.
And your inspiration wall is ready.